Today, I'm Maisie, and today we are going to make a Christmas tree cookies, and we're going to decorate them, and we're going to eat them.
Yeah, we're going to decorate some gingerbread cookie Christmas trees, okay? Here they are here.
And eat them.
I'm going to decorate them.
Right here.
And we've already pre-made the icing. We've got some buttercream.
Yeah, and some buttons.
And some chocolate
Some
buttons.
of my buttons to do with. We want to eat them without Christmas trees, that we can use them. And we want the chocolate with them.
So, first step is probably, now you've got your icing, you want to spread it onto your Christmas tree. Now I quickly showed the kids how to do a little bit of the icing with the piping here. You can see it there, but obviously I want to put some icing on first. So this is the snow on the Christmas tree. Yeah? So it's buttercream icing, and I'm going to pour it onto my Christmas tree.
This is what else we have.
Like that. Put that spoon back in there, and then I'm going to spread it on my tree so that it's sticky.
And also we have this.
And lovely and tasty.
See?
Yeah?
Oh my.
Like that.
We
So do you want to do some?
Yeah.
Jacob wants to have a go.
I want to go first.
Well, Maisie wants to have a go as well. So how about you hold that for a second? Right, I'll just get a scoop out for you. There you go. And then we'll swap. And that's it. And you've got to put it on your tree.
Okay.
Look carefully. Yeah, use the spoon to spread it. And that's it.
Wait, let me do it.
Yeah, you do it.
Spread.
Yeah, use this to scoop it off. That's it. Spread it with a spoon. That's it. Good girl. You see what she's doing? Beautiful. Right, I'll get Jacob's ready. Right. You hold that one, mate. Right, my turn to give this to Jacob.
I'm going to spread out all mine.
And Jacob's going to spread his on there, look. That's it. You got it? Spread it all over the tree. That's it. You can use this one as well if you want. Good boy, I'll use that one, you use that one. Spread it. That's it, all over your tree like that. So it's nice and sticky, ready for the icing. Yeah?
So,
And then we're going to pipe the icing, so I'm going to show you next
Can you,
what to do, yeah?
see my cookie?
Yeah,
That's
beautiful.
how we do it.
Beautiful.
So, guys,
So you can
okay?
see me now in the icing here, and I'm squeezing like this to make like a pattern.
So, that's how we do it, guys, okay? So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Just, if you forget, we're doing Christmas tree decorating, okay? Guys, okay?
Lovely. You want to have a go then with the icing? Good girl.
Of course, I never wanted to not do it.
And just to show you what else we've got the buttons and the sprinkles all ready to go here.
I already showed them it.
Yeah. So you can see her squeezing the icing now to make a lovely pattern on her tree. Looks very good. And I'm
So
going to
now I'm
start
going to do some little buttons after
putting
it.
some baubles on my tree. Jacob needs to wait until he's ready, mate. So I'm going to put a few baubles on my tree. Something like this. Obviously the kids are going to probably use their hands for their baubles, but that's fine. And I don't eat chocolate, so I don't put any chocolate on mine. But that's mine there. There we go. Lovely. How are you doing there, Maisie?
Good.
Cheeky bugger, aren't you? Eating all your icing before you've even got it. That's it. Right, we're going to pass it over to Jacob to do some then.
There
you go. You squeeze it to make your tinsel, and you can start decorating your tree, Maisie, with these baubles and chocolate buttons. You squeeze really hard, mate. That's it. Good boy.
One red one. One dot.
Yeah, looks good. Put some baubles on. That's it.
Dot, dot, dot.
Now I'm going to start doing one for Mummy, I think, because I've already got one finished here now. So I'm going to start doing another one for Mum. so we don't waste all the icing. That's it.
I think Dick's nearly done. Dick looks funny. Dick looks funny, guys, okay?
Doing a really good job.
So,
Keep going.
let me move mine a little bit closer to you guys, okay? So, yeah.
Yeah, lovely, I can see it.
Yeah. See, guys, this is how I made mine.
No,
I need some more bubble with
hairs.
Wow, these look yummy. Yeah, thank you, mate. Good boy. You're going to put your baubles on, darling? Yeah, use your baubles, your decorations. And I'm going to do my tinsel. For Mummy.
for Mummy. Someone can have the last one, someone else. Or guys, or our fans. Our fans could maybe have the last one.
This great. So I'm in my hand.
Beautiful.
Good.
My bubbles are so beautiful. So guys, you can see what I'm doing.
You can do whatever pattern you like, really. It doesn't really matter, as long as it looks nice.
Wait, I
And
forgot.
different sets come with different colours.
I
You can
forgot
get
to do
red,
another
gold.
pattern with this.
Yeah, go on then, do another little pattern, yeah. That's it. And put
I
some-
need some more to decorate it.
Yeah, some more baubles, yeah, brilliant.
Okay. Just a little more. Here. Present out. Over.
And it doesn't matter too many if you spill a little bit, you know, it doesn't really matter. It's more about the fun of the making it.
Yeah. Of course, just look at mine, it's beautiful. Guys. Oh! Sorry.
And we wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
It's currently towards the end of 2025, so we're heading into 2026, which is very exciting.
Because it's nearly Christmas, you
Really
know.
Christmas, yeah, we're about, what, 4 days away? Something like that. So we're doing this the week of Christmas. It looks brilliant, guys. Have you decorated yours with your buttons, mate? Put your buttons on as well.
Don't forget. Oh yeah, don't forget to put a star one, guys.
Yeah, Mummy
Don't
wants a few
forget-
chocolate buttons on hers, mightn't she?
Don't forget to do a star.
Up to the star.
Something like that. Beautiful.
So stick it on.
That's it.
Here's my little cherry. So you can see my green cherry I'm doing. That's my green cherry. So I'm going to decorate my cherry with little baubles. So it can be...
Fantastic, guys. These look really good.
I can't wait to eat them, guys. Something missing. There. Oh, some big buttons.
You happy with yours, eh, mate? Shall we just pour the rest of your sprinkles on?
There. All done.
Beautiful.
I decorate my chocolate eyes.
Fantastic. How you doing, Maisie? You new there?
Nearly done.
Don't use all the icing because there's one more cookie we need to decorate later. Yeah.
Wait.
Don't use all of it. And we'll probably leave it there for now, and we might do one separate. So here we go, the finished products. This one here is Jacob. He is 6 and he's made a Christmas tree and he's decorated it with lots of little baubles and some snow. Looks delicious.
Yes.
And this is mine and Mum's. So I'm 32 and Mum is 30. Obviously I just made hers for her, but we decorated hers with some tinsel, some sprinkles, some baubles. That Daisy's 4. You can see it here. Looks very, very nice what she's made. Lovely, lovely. And there they are all together. Well done everybody, and bye bye. Thank you for watching. Is it nice? Let me know what you think. Yeah? Thumbs up. What about you, Jacob? Is it nice? Yeah? Brilliant. Delicious. Well done. Bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.